Hi DIY friends, it's Shannon from TheDailyDIYer.com, and I also want to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. So I just left a really fun experience. This is my second time going on our local St. Louis morning show called Show Me St. Louis. And that was a whole fun experience. Just left there, and now I am at Dollar Tree. The work never ends, and I'm on the hunt for some Christmas, anything Christmas. So I thought I'd bring you along with me so we could see what we could find. Let's go inside. All right, so I want to share with you my favorite things. I'm in the same boat as most of you, whereas you don't have a whole lot of Christmas rolling out now. As far as it looks like, there's still a ton of Halloween and a ton of fall decor. So until that starts moving out, I don't think they're going to start loading a lot of Christmas in, at least in the St. Louis area. So I feel ya if you're not being able to find it in your store either, but I was able to find some things. So I wanted to show you some of my favorites today. And then I also have some DIYs. I wouldn't leave you hanging without some crafty ideas. But the very first thing that I have to tell you was my absolute favorite find that I'll probably be living in are their Christmas leggings. They're only $5. They are in the Dollar Tree Plus section, unfortunately. So if you don't have a Dollar Tree Plus, you won't be able to find these. Hopefully a lot of stores are turning into pluses though, because I've heard a lot of them are supposed to be changing over to pluses. So cross your fingers. Hopefully one day, if you don't yet, soon you will. I did grab two of their leggings, these cute candy cane ones, and also the red and white kind of argyle print. So cute. Like, you'll probably see me in these a lot this year. As far as quality goes, they are kind of thin. I was able to find them in a few different sizes, medium, large, and extra large. If they have more, they didn't at my store, but hopefully you can find a small, and I'm hoping also a double XL, but I'm really not sure. So hopefully you can find your size. I did pick up size medium, so they do seem to run true to size. Now, I haven't washed them yet, so hopefully they don't shrink. I'll definitely be hanging these to dry. They also have lots of new ornaments. Some are from last year, years prior, but they do have some new ones for this year, so I want to show you some of my favorites. Do you have a favorite Christmas ornament that is special to you? Let me know what it is down in the comments below. Tell me all about it. I know these are such great keepsakes, and maybe some that are special that you'll use year after year. We're getting into the busy season, the stressful season, the emotional season, and you know what? That's okay. I have found that utilizing weekly and bi-weekly therapy sessions through BetterHelp has been a game changer for me to be able to get through some of those tough times. So thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist that is trained to listen and give you unbiased and helpful advice. You also have 3 options when it comes to your therapy sessions. You can do video chats, phone calls, or messaging, whatever is most comfortable for you. I personally have utilized all 3. To get started, you'll fill out a questionnaire to help assess your specific needs, and then you'll get matched with a therapist in most cases within 48 hours or less. People spend hours a week in the gym, so why not give your mind the same attention? If you think you might benefit from therapy, consider BetterHelp. You can click the link that I'll have down in the description box or go to betterhelp.com/dailydiy. If the therapist you're first matched with doesn't feel like the right fit, which can be common when starting therapy, you can easily switch to a new therapist at no additional cost without stressing about insurance, who's in network, or anything like that. I personally know that starting therapy can be hard, but me, along with 4 other million people that have started using BetterHelp, they are now living healthier and happier lives. So again, if you think you could benefit from therapy, definitely consider BetterHelp. I'll have that link down in the description box, or visit betterhelp.com/dailydiy, and that will give you 10% off your first month. So go ahead, give it a try, get connected with a therapist, and see if it helps you. What also helps me during the holiday season is shopping at Dollar Tree for Christmas supplies. It's just like opening a Christmas gift every time I walk into Dollar Tree to find new items, and I want to share some new ones with you too. And then they also have brought back their clear big ornaments, big and small. And this year I did notice they have the larger size in the solid white, which I really love. And this is a new one to me. I found these giant sized clear ornaments. So I do have like a size comparison. You can see the regular large size versus the extra large size they now carry. So let's go ahead and do a fun Christmas DIY with this huge clear ornament. So I really wanted to give this ornament a frosty look, but I didn't have any of that spray paint, but I did have clear matte spray paint. So I decided to give this a go. We're gonna test this out together. So I just put it on a barbecue skewer, took it outside, gave it 2 coats of this clear matte spray, let it dry, and sure enough, just like magic, it worked. So a great hack for you there. Save you having to buy 2 different types of spray paint. So we're gonna make a little luminary here, and we're gonna use a metal tin bucket from Dollar Tree as the stand. So to dress this up a little bit, we're gonna add some of these fir needles around the edge. It's kind of gonna look like a Christmas wreath, just hot gluing the front and the ends to make sure that they're stuck all the way around in a wreath shape. Then it is going to look like this once you get all the way around. We're going to dress it up a little bit more with some of these tiny little pine cones that you can also get from Dollar Tree. And we're just going to hot glue those on randomly around the greenery. So here's our cute little bucket all dressed up for Christmas time. We're gonna take our frosted ornament and also some of these fairy lights from Dollar Tree. These have a pretty warm glow to them and also pretty copper wire. And we're just going to feed those lights right into the bottom of this clear ornament. And once we get them all in there, we're gonna put the battery pack in the bottom of the bucket and flip our ornament upside down, and it will sit nicely on the middle of that wreath. Definitely affordable, so quick and easy, and also beautiful too. So if you need a little bit of warm glow in your home, you can add one of these little luminaries. Super easy to then just pull the battery pack out of the bottom and be able to turn this off and on. I have to give the stalker Christmas area person a lot of credit, because if it's out there, I don't care what it looks like. And I was just glad to see these out in the aisle because they are so cute. I'm not sure they were supposed to be displayed that way, but whatever works. I fell in love with these. I've never seen them before. Such a cute little Christmas decoration. Absolutely fell in love with the red and white ones, the buffalo check ones. And you can see red and white is kind of my Christmas colors this year. So I picked up some extra ones of the red and white, but I also, like you saw, grabbed one of each of the colors too to have on hand in case I get the urge to make something Christmassy with them. And then they also had these Jingle Bell picks too. I found them in silver, gold, and the red, so I grabbed 2 of the red. And I do have an idea with those 2. I was happy to find they are again this year going to be stocking their ever popular mini Christmas trees in the traditional green and also the white. So I grabbed some more of the green trees, and we are going to make a DIY with these 2 picks and a Christmas tree. I'm pretty sure I did a little dance when I came across these cute ice skates at the thrift store. They were only $5. Had to be mine. And we're gonna dress these up with the Christmas tree and those picks, but they did need a good cleaning before we start crafting with them. So the first thing I did was take a few grocery bags or Dollar Tree bags and just stuff them right down into the ice skate in the ankle part to keep that open, because we're gonna lace that up and I didn't want it to get too smushed in there. Then we're gonna take our Dollar Tree Christmas tree, stick that in there, and then lace up the front. Now to make it cutesy, this is what it looks like with just the tree in the front. Just kind of spread the branches out a little bit, and then we're gonna stick some of these other branches that I found on Amazon, just tucking a few of those in there to give it some more texture, make it look a little bit more realistic. Let's be honest, the Dollar Tree Christmas trees are not that cute, but we can dress them up, not a problem, just with those little greenery picks and also with our new Dollar Tree Christmas picks. So first in the front, I added the little ball ornament picks, and then I pulled apart the Jingle Bell picks and made 3 separate picks out of them and put 1 in the front and then 1 on each side. It just took a little bit of time to kind of arrange it and make it look nice. You could even add a bow bow in the front of this too with some Christmas ribbon. I just did this to one skate because I'm just kind of propping the one behind it up so you wouldn't really see if I put greenery in the other one or not, but you could definitely do two. You could hang these from an antique sled, hang them from a mirror, or just kind of prop them up like I have here. A cute and easy way to really dress up some old skates with some affordable items from Dollar Tree. So this is just one idea that I have using these mini Christmas trees. I have a brand new video coming out next week, so you want to make sure to subscribe. You'll see some brand new ideas using these Christmas trees as the base of all the crafts and the DIYs and the hacks. This is a very popular video every year. I've released them the last 2 previous years and you guys have loved them, so I'm doing a brand new one for you this year too. So again, subscribe, hit the bell, and then you'll be notified as soon as that video does go live. So there was a ton of different crafting supplies. I didn't see much in the way of new wood pieces, which I love though, because I think they have some really cute ones and they're all great for crafting with, either the smaller kits or the large wood cutouts. I did go ahead and pick up this snowman, which I thought was so cute. I think I'm going to be doing another snowman themed video coming up, so subscribe so you don't miss that one either. So that's one I just grabbed, but definitely check out their crafting section as there's a lot of good stuff to choose from. So let's go back to the Dollar Tree Plus section. There was a lot of cute things, obviously a little bit more higher budget than the $1.25 things that are $3 and $5, but I thought this was a really great find and deal are these reindeer. So they had some that were standing up and some that were laying down like this. I'm needing something for my shelves, which are behind me, and it can get pretty costly to try to fill them up. So I was really looking for something budget friendly. I needed 4 of something that I could display, and these are only $5 each. So I grabbed 4 of these. I didn't grab all the same color because I want to make sure I left a variety on the shelves for the next person that loved them too. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take these outside and spray paint them all in the gold color that I want, and then I'll show you what they look like all finished and set up on the shelves. So here's what these reindeer look like before. We're gonna make them all look cohesive and the same with the help of the spray paint. This was amazing spray paint. I only needed to do 1 coat on each side, but I did take my time getting that first coat on there because there are so many nooks and crannies in these reindeer. You really kind of have to bend over and spray to the side and walk all the way around them to make sure you get in all of the little nooks and crannies, and then flip them over once they're done and do the other side. So these only took about 10 minutes each, 2, I would say, depending on dry time. And then they turned out so beautiful, just exactly what I was looking for. Really budget friendly, and they turned out gorgeous. I loved being able to add these to the shelves. It really helped fill everything out and keep that nice balanced look that I like to do with these shelves, especially at Christmas time. So if you see them, highly recommend them. Spray paint them if you can't find the color that you want. Another awesome item that I found that is new this year to Dollar Tree are these great lanterns. They had them in 3 different colors, white, green, and red, with different themes on them. I think these are going to go really fast, so if you see them, grab them. I also thought these were really fun. They are Christmas projectors, something fun to give to a kiddo or even put in a stocking, fun for their bedroom. So I was a little bit disappointed that there wasn't a ton of things out at Dollar Tree just yet, but I totally understand. But make sure to subscribe and come back because I will be doing a new video as soon as it is. I know there's going to be so much cute home decor that's going to be hitting those shelves, along with things that are great for baking, gift giving, and gift wrapping. So if you're excited for all the Christmas stuff to hit the Dollar Tree shelves, hit that thumbs up button. If you're looking for those Christmas tree DIYs that I've done in the past, I'll have those popping up on your screen. Make sure to click over, watch that next, and I will see you over there. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a creative day.